So since the price of Bitcoin is doing exactly like how we predicted, now what to expect next? Because on my previous video I showed you guys in the medium short term there might be some shakeout, price coming back to this some key line of support before starting with another bullish move. And if you look at this right now, look at this right angle broadening bottom pattern, it is playing out perfectly, and the same trend line which in the past price action acted as resistance held the price around 64,000, and right after that started with this bullish move. And now if this bullish continuation pattern is going to play out, where is our price objective? According to this right angle broadening bottom pattern, our price objective sits around 71,000. Yes guys, this 71,000 in the medium short term in the upcoming days could be attracting us before deciding the trend direction. And why this price target actually makes a lot of sense, because exactly at that area we also have the resistance from this leading indicator, this monthly R1 line, because according to this example, this horizontal green line which sits around 70,300 might be attracting us. Yes, that is another reason why we are expecting the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term to slowly get attracted on 71,000, and only after that choose an actual trend duration, because we know beside this example, even with the help of this symmetrical triangle with false breakout, with the help of this Williams alligator indicator, we were aware about this move price showing some weakness, but at the end it might be showing another continuation, just like from this example. After this false breakout there could be another continuation like this, and this exact scenario also looks like playing out, because price after this false breakout you can see has started to show bullish move, and now any sort of a pullback in the medium short term, this Williams alligator indicator will be acting as support, and right after that we are expecting another continuation to play out. So any sort of a pullback in the medium short term will be looked as a temporary weakness, not an actual reversal, because parallelly we are also following this Wyckoff's reaccumulation schematic one, and with the help of this example we found out the price of Bitcoin here is in phase D. And if you look at this on the right hand side, you can see guys, in phase D there will be shakeout, but it is going to be resulting in another continuation like this. Price slowly getting attracted towards the horizontal trend line, which again sits around 71,000 before starting with another continuation like this. Price has a very high probability to get attracted towards this horizontal trend line of 71,000 before deciding the actual trend duration. But I have been very clear with you guys, if the price gets attracted around the 71,000 resistance line, it is going to be looked as a breakout, not a false breakout or a reversal pattern. I personally think this is going to be following another continuation from Wyckoff. This is going to be looked as a reaccumulation phase, and price will be also heading towards to form a new all-time high. And parallelly with the help of this Bollinger Band, nothing much has changed. Price after breaking out of this upper band, which only gets broken during uptrend, looks like preparing itself for another continuation here to the upside. So even with the help of this Bollinger Band, any sort of a false breakout, this signal line or the basis line will be acting as support, and price after that is expected to show another continuation like this. Even with false breakout, we can see price of Bitcoin has a strong support above 60,000. Now beside this example, let's also look at this weekly chart. Now before I switch the chart, I just want to quickly aware you guys about these free bonuses to those individuals who have not claimed this free 500 USD futures position airdrop from Bybit, another 200 USD futures position airdrop from Bybit. Then definitely check this out, because this event is temporary. If you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of these free bonuses, then definitely use this opportunity. And also guys, please try that like button. Let's try to reach at least 1,000 like in this video. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin in a weekly time frame, you can see, guys, nothing much has changed. I mean, the price of Bitcoin is following this descending broadening wedge. A descending broadening wedge is a bullish continuation pattern. And according to this example, you can see where could the price of Bitcoin be getting attracted? Around this upper trend line. This upper trend line, which in the past price action rejected us, also resulted in a corrective move, could be attracting us. Yes, this upper trend line in a weekly time frame could be attracting us before we choose a trend duration, and this trend line also sits somewhere around 71,000. So that's why, guys, that's why you can see so many confluence around this area. So I personally think 71,000 will be tested, and only after that the price is going to decide the trend duration. But if you look at this in a different scenarios, different time frame, there is a very high probability of not just only testing the 71,000 but also breaking out from it, because if you look at this price action parallelly using this falling channel, this is another bullish continuation pattern for Bitcoin with price objective around 71,000. Yes, guys, the top of this channel, the falling channel, is going to be attracting us for the immediate short term and also for the upcoming days, because price, if you look at this on the right hand side, ended this rally only after we tested the top or the price objective from this descending channel on this example. Same move could be happening here as well. I mean, price getting attracted on 71,000 before looking for another opportunity. But I've been very clear with you guys, there is a very high priority of price not just only testing it but also breaking out from it, because it's not just only this descending channel breakout, but parallelly you guys are aware about this descending broadening wedge as well. I mean, in a daily time frame, you can see we have already broken out of this upper trend line, which is resulting in a bullish move. And even according to this descending broadening wedge, this upper trend line around 71,000 could be attracting us. So you can see descending broadening wedge price objective sits around 71,000. Falling channel price objective sits around 71,000. Upper trend line from this descending broadening wedge in a weekly time frame sits around 71,000. Price objective from this leading indicator, I mean the CPI indicator, you can see the CPI indicator, this monthly green line, sits around 70,300. And beside that, even the price objective from this right angle broadening bottom pattern, yes guys, this right angle broadening bottom pattern also sits around 71,000. So there is a very high probability of price getting attracted around that area, and only after that we look for another opportunity. But if you look at this in a bit different way, I mean using this rising channel, yes, this rising channel in the medium short term could be looked as our support. I mean, whenever the price tested around this lower trend line, right, it resulted in a rally. So if this here is going to be looked as another continuation like this, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern like this, then you can see, guys, this lower trend line along with this ascending broadening wedge will be acting as support. I mean, this lower trend line, which is again above 60,000, will be acting as support, and price after showing a move like this, it could be preparing itself for another continuation. And same thing, guys, the upper trend line, which again sits around 72,000, will be attracting us. So it doesn't matter whichever scenario you look at it, there is a very high probability of price testing this 71,000, and only after that decide the actual trend duration. But for us, 71,000 will be a temporary resistance, and we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to go even higher to make a new all-time high. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. If you enjoyed my work, then please, guys, please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and let's try to reach at least 1,000 like in this video. And beside that, even for those individuals who have not claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description. So this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If that's the case, then please destroy that like button, and see you next time.